So you're going to go out for a run, walk, or some other activity, but you can't get your AirPods or Beats headphones to connect to your Apple Watch. It's mind-bending and absolutely frustrating, but if you're an Apple fanboy like myself, you've probably got an iPhone, iPad, and a Mac somewhere nearby. That's our problem. When facing this situation, to reconnect your AirPods or Beats headphones, one of the following solutions should work. The first solution is to disconnect your iPhone and iPad from your AirPods or Beats headphones. From your iDevices, pull down from the top right on your iPhone and iPad to open Control Center. Click on the Control Center Bluetooth button, which is a series of concentric circles with a triangle at the bottom. Next, click your iPhone and iPad icon. This will disconnect your Apple headphones from each iDevice. Now, try to reconnect your AirPods or Beats headphones to your Apple Watch. Okay, that didn't work? Let's escalate this. The next option is to turn off your iDevice's Bluetooth. This is a real pain because you may forget to turn Bluetooth back on. Just remember to do so. To turn off your iDevice's Bluetooth connections, click on the gear icon to go to Settings. Next, click on Bluetooth. Lastly, turn off Bluetooth by clicking the green active button at the top. Now, try to reconnect your AirPods or Beats headphones to your Apple Watch. All right, that didn't work either. Now I know this is really frustrating. The last option is a real pain as Apple Watches are notoriously slow to reboot. That said, this should do the trick, but it will take a couple minutes to complete. So remember to reboot your watch before you leave on your activity so you don't mess with your metrics. I mean, we all want our Apple Watch badges. To force a restart on your Apple Watch, press and hold down the digital crown and side button for 10 seconds until the Apple logo reappears. My Apple Watch Ultra 2 took about 2 minutes and 15 seconds to reboot, which is annoying, but this step should get your AirPods or Beats headphones reconnected to your Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and if you'd like to follow me as a content creator, go ahead and click on the subscription button. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. Thanks for watching.